Financial quest. Oh yeah.
Hello, good evening, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Financial Quest. My name is Elio, and I'm going to show you my public account, a project I've started this year with £5,500, and I'm going to show you my journey. Let's see where we end up in 1 year. At the moment, we started 1st of January and this period goes until 31st of March, so this is the first quarter. I've got 32 trades so far, and I've got total securities just a bit over £6,000. Let's have a deeper look into our account. Okay, this week was like a mixed bag. Bad news, good news. The market started really well, rallying, and then finishing with everyone taking their profits. The bears came out of the cave. First things first, our bad news. Afria. As expected, Afria is a marijuana stock, so this trades up and down every single day, every single week. This pretty much, I was middle of the week, I was £120 up, and now I'm 7% down, £107. This is normal. I'm going to wait for a big burst in the marijuana industry again. So this is day traders taking their profits every week or every 2 weeks. This trades at the moment at these levels, £7.76, and goes up until around £9, 10% down, 10% up, and I'm expecting to take my profits once the first quarter of 2019 comes out. Am I going to sell? Am I scared? Absolutely not. This is the nature of marijuana industry, and that's why I profited already over £500 because I've been trading marijuana stocks. Okay. Another heavyweight in our portfolio came down the results for 2018. IG Group Holdings. So this is a company, they are a brokerage company. So the market has been very volatile in the UK. This is a UK based company, and probably I bought a little bit too early, and that's why I'm here to show you guys sometimes my mistakes. Am I going to drop this stock? Not yet. I'm going to see where it goes, and I believe I'm going to buy more into this stock because this is a seasonal stock basically. Depends a lot on the general market. This is a financial stock, okay? So it is a good point for me to start to add up very, very carefully. This is a reason why I limited my risk. I only have under £500 invested into this account because I knew this and EasyJet, they would be affected by Brexit situation and the financials nowadays, the stock markets, the financials are very, very volatile. This is a company, I believe, they have no debt in their balance sheet, so I have no issues in adding more into my account and expect a big profit. I might be wrong, obviously, because most traders, they lose money in the stock market, okay? Activision, another small position. Why is it a small position? Well, in the video game industry, EA Sports, Activision, and so on, they're not having a great year so far. There's no big games in the pipeline, no big titles. Call of Duty came out, was one of the best sellers from Activision this year. However, they came a little bit short of expectations. Okay, so they've been trading really low throughout the year. They have a big fall around 40%. I'm up now, but I'm expecting this for the next quarter when the next results come out not to be great results, and I'm expecting a pullback, and I want to add more into this position. I want this one to be one of my largest positions because the video game industry is a multi-million-dollar industry and it's just going to get bigger and bigger. Okay, Altria Group. Well, there's nothing I can say about Altria Group. These guys, they are a tobacco in the tobacco industry. They are the makers of Marlboro cigarettes. Last year they bought Juul, which is a vaping company. They bought a major stake on it. Last year, which was confirmed this year, they bought Kronos. Kronos is one of the players in the marijuana industry. So I'm buying a lot of companies for the price of one. They also produce wine and some brands of beer. Okay, so I'm really well in this position. I have a 6% yield. Even if this doesn't go up, the value doesn't go up, which has been going up like crazy. 12% today. They have a little pullback. I was in the middle of the week around 15%. I still get 6% dividends, which I can keep into my account to reinvest or just to buy more shares into Altria Group. So this dividend coming now in April is going to be 80p per share. So I've got 39 shares, 80p per each share that they're going to be paying me into my account. This is how you make money while you sleep. You get your money to work for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The general view in our portfolio. Now I've got the big surprise, the big news of the week. We bought our sixth stock. This is our last position. I've used all the money. I'm fully invested, and I'm not sure if I'm going to put more money into this account because I also have my personal portfolio, which and there's a few stocks I'm interested in. So I'm not quite sure if I'm going to put more money into this into this public accounts. I want to keep adding. My main investment is my personal account. So guys, let's dig deep into Tatica International, our new acquisition. I bought this company earlier 2 days ago on Wednesday. And these guys, they specialize in target advertisement on mobile. Last year they acquired a small startup company, a video advertiser called Tremor, which has been having great results and revamped completely the revenue of this company. They have clients such as HBO, which releases Games of Thrones, many other companies I really don't know, EA Sports, for someone who's playing FIFA, they know who EA Sports is, Western Union, and many other companies. So they provide target advertisement for these companies. They use banners and video to specialize into their advertisement. So let's see a little bit of the technicals of this company. Here we go, the chart for the last 5 days. So I bought this company at £1.93p. It was on Wednesday, something around this area, £1.90p. It had already climbed up quite a while. I was expecting the results. I didn't manage to buy it any earlier. They released the results for 2018 and they beat expectations in a long way, in a big way. They came up with 40% up on revenue, so that's going to be amazing. From that point on, I've already came up 6 and something percent, so we are now at £2.05p. Today it climbed up only 1.23%. Yesterday it came up around 5%. So I'm way on the green at the moment with this company. I invested £1,250 on it, and basically in 1.5 days I'm on profit. £76 is not bad for a days of work. If I wanted to sell right now, there's people who make less money than this on a regular job, and I've done basically nothing. I've just done my research and I bought a company which I was following for quite some time. Let's dig a little bit deeper into the technicals of this company. Tatica. They are at the PE ratio 8.58, which is really, really low for a tech company. That's absolutely fantastic. They have a dividend yield of 4.4%, 14%. So this is a bonus, because this company has no debt on their balance sheets. So they are a very well established company, even though they're just in the stock market for since 2015. They can afford to pay a dividend of 0.7p. It's not much, but it's a bonus. 4% is big. The 52-week range, £1.30 on the lows, £3.95 on the highs. All the tech companies last year, they suffered quite a lot. The market had a correction, and this company suffered as well, which is great. It gave us a great entry point just the day of their financial release. Let's see the financials for this company. As you can see in here, they only listed from 2015, and we only have financials from 2014. 2014, 63 million, and we came all the way. Small increase on 2015, a huge increase on 2016, and a huge increase on 2017. And this is not updated yet on Yahoo Finance, but we have another one for 2018 with 40% increase on revenue. Gross profit 80 million in 2017. That's fantastic. The graphics in here, where you can see the green is revenue and the blue is earnings. So let's see if they have any assets and what's the ratio for assets and liabilities. This is really important, the balance sheet. Alright, balance sheet. Cash and cash equivalents. 26 million in the bank, just for a rainy day. Total assets, 175 million. Total liabilities, 110 million. I prefer to see a little bit more. I prefer a better ratio. This is around 65 million, the ratio, the difference between liabilities and total assets. In a long-term company, I prefer to see at least a 2-to-1 between assets and liabilities. This is not perfect yet, however, it still is very good, considering it's a very small company yet with very few years listed on the market. So net tangible assets is just 3 million, which again is not great, but we cannot complain much. It's part of the game. There's no such thing as a perfect company. Something that is really, really important in here is short-term debt. It's none, zero, nil. There's no debt in this, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I've been following this company, as I said before, for quite a long time. That's why I bought it. I bought it right at the lows. It's going to gather great momentum now, and I believe this company in a year, the time frame for this company in a year is going to give me returns of around 40%. So yeah, guys, this is my technical analysis. This is my weekly review of my portfolio. Always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you guys to do this. Please don't do what I'm doing and don't follow what I'm doing. This is just for entertainment and for you guys to follow my journey to see what I can do if I can beat a regular savings account with my money invested. I just want to show people that investing is not a crime, is not just for the rich, is not just for people with a lot of money. But please, if you're thinking about investing, do your own research or look for a financial advisor. All right, so take care, see you guys next week, and goodbye.
Financial quest. Oh yeah. Boop, 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 boop.